Hey, what's up, Phil? It's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. This video is going to be kind of tailored towards when you get your website, and I'm going to be briefly showing you 3 things that you need to do when you are making your website, all right? And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company, and sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. So the main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. All right. So I'm talking about content. I'm going to bring up your competition, Superior Fence and Rail. Superior Fence and Rail is your competition because when you type in fence installation, Pensacola, Florida, fence company, Pensacola, they're the first to be ranked organically. Therefore, your competition. All right. So on their site, it looks good and everything like that. But what I really noticed is that they have 979 words, and I see that because they're really increasing with that 979. They have 22 organic keywords. All right, or a keyword is anywhere from like fence installation, Pensacola, fence company, Pensacola, Florida, and I'll just click on a couple of the keywords that they're using just to show you as an example. If it'll load, let's see here. This is Ahrefs, by the way. Ahrefs is a paid tool, but you can do this on your own with SEMrush, SEO, Quake if you're interested. Those are both free tools. I just use Ahrefs because it's the most accurate. So as you can see, fence company, Pensacola, Florida, fence, Pensacola, fence company, Pensacola, Florida. And this is the volume per month, and this is the keyword difficulty. So as you can see, pretty low KDs, not that bad, and high volume, all right? So you definitely want 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website, and this is the reason why. Google sends out these robots. These robots, they go and crawl through the content looking for those keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. All right? So that's what I want to talk about with content. And another thing is when you have pictures on your website, you can actually hide keywords under the save. So if you do like save as Pensacola Fence Company, so you see Superior Fence and Rail, they're able to put a keyword behind their picture. All right. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. And citations is actually how you get ranked in this map pack here. Google Map Pack is extremely important, and usually you'll see ads above it. And ads are good, don't get me wrong, but research shows they're semi-effective, and they could be a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly, and that's so important. They could be good for you if you know how to do it in expert mode. If not, it's kind of a money pit, man. So with these citations, like I said, is how you get ranked. You want about 200 of these bad boys to be untouchable in that #1 spot. You want to make sure your G&B is also optimized. I believe I found you on the second page of Google. And so you're kind of hidden, man. Just not going to lie to you. You're kind of hidden. So there we go right there. A citation includes directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is they'll rank you. So that's kind of the point with citations. And the third thing I want to go over is backlinks. And backlinks have to do directly with having a website, okay? So I went ahead and plugged in Superior Fence and Rail's website into Ahrefs, just like where we found the organic keywords, and they come up with 7 referring domains and 11 backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins wins the #1 organic spot. However, it's super important to know that not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting the relevancy of your backlinks to your website, and I'll give an example here. So here's A1 Hurricane Fence. I'm sure you've heard of them. They're the #2 spot here on organically in Google, as you can see. Angie's List is a directory. All right, they have 39 referring domains, 150 backlinks, and Superior Fence and Rail is beating them with only 7 referring domains, 11 backlinks. As you can see, the organic traffic is 256 and A1's is 219. So I'm just going to give you a little perspective here of just being ranked on that first page. As you can see, Superior Fence and Rail isn't even in the top 3 of the map pack up here. All right, they're just ranked number here. So 256 is, let's say you lowball that, only even closing 10% of 256 customers a month. All right, that's an extra what, 20 to 25 clients per month. You do the math for what you charge for fences. You're talking about pretty big money, man. All right, so just to recap, I want to go back over. So #1 thing, got to get a website, man. Got to get a website. But it's super important when you build your website to do it right, so it doesn't just look sexy, but you're able to be seen and get traffic to it. Okay, so when you're building a website, at least implement 1,500 to 2,000 words and have those keywords implemented into that content as well, and those pictures, just like Superior Fence and Rail does with the save as. All right. The second thing was citations. So you want about 200 of these bad boys to be untouchable on this map pack. All right. The third thing was backlinks. You guys, when you have your website built out, you have to have relevant sites pointing to you guys. I'll use, this is my best example. Would you rather be on the cover of Fence Magazine USA, or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizzas USA? Fence Magazine, of course, because you have nothing to do with pizzas. All right, and actually, if you get too much junk sites, that could lower the integrity and the drive of your website that Google likes to see. So it's important to have those relevant ones. All right, well, like I said, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. My doors are always open. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.